Welcome to the 2016 GMC Acadia Denali. The beautiful Denali is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with, of course, Denali in the center. We have keyed ignition, a 6-inch touchscreen with navigation, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. This Acadia Denali is equipped with trailer tow package as well, Bose audio all the way throughout, and all black interior. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Acadia Denali, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with some brand new Uniroyal all-season tires, chrome accenting door handles. The vehicle has Denali on the front door there as well. Coming to the front, LED daytime running lamps. We have fog lights and the chrome Denali front grille. Remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming to the rear of the Denali Acadia, we have those clear tinted taillights as well as dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, power tailgate, and your backup camera. Jumping into the interior here, second row captain's chairs, both leather as well as car seat ready. You have your rear climate control there, USB ports. Seats have the quick fold down option, getting out of the way, giving you access to your third row, which is a leather 60/40 split. Over top we have the dome lighting with heat and AC vents, as well as a dual panel sunroof system. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2016 GMC Acadia Denali. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.